Hello everyone, welcome back to another exciting video. And today I'm going to start a very unique stuff on my YouTube channel. So I just thought to write a book and which will be using Llama 270B model, and it will be 100% AI generated. All the graphics will be made with the artificial intelligence. So this is the website from where I'm going to make my cover photo for the book, and I have just drafted its name, the wonders of the ancient world, a journey through very difficult task, Egypt, Greece, and Rome. And this will be information on this will be provided by the Llama 2 model, and I will be the editor of this. I will be using Canva and the segmind.com, and from this I will be generating all kind of AI based graphics, and I will use this platform to use the Llama 270B model, and I just started drafting it. It will take almost 12 days. I have planned it to write in the 12 days. Basically, I will not write it, I will edit it. And when I asked it to help me to write a history book, and the Llama 2 provided me with few topics. The first one was the initial civilization, then the American history, then world history, then historical figures, then historical events, cultural traditions, social movements, scientific discoveries, and the historical fictions. So I just started with the an ancient civilization, in which uh, four civilizations will be discussed, starting from the Mesopotamia, and after that I will move to the Egypt, Greece, and Rome. And when I asked it to provide me a content for this, recommend me a title and supposed listed of content. So in this, it has provided me with the topic of the wonders of ancient world, a journey through Mesopotamia, Egypt, Greece, and Rome. And in this, I will start with the introduction. Then its first part will be based on the cradle of civilization, city of wonders, and Assyria, the empire of the north. Then its second part will be on the ancient Egypt, in which I will discuss about the pharaohs and pyramids and mummies. And after that, I will move to the ancient Greece, the Olympics, democracy, and methodology. And then I will move to the ancient Rome, the Caesars and gladiators and the Roman Empire. And after that, we will conclude this book. So this is going to be a very unique series. I will post 12 videos, and I'm going to post those videos on my daily basis. And if I'm successful in editing this book, I will make it public and I will post it on my LinkedIn, and it will be available for reading purposes. I will document it into the Microsoft Word, and I will be using 100% artificial intelligence in it. And after that, we will see what comes out of it. Is it a good book or is it a bad book? So let's see how things go. So this was only to inform you guys that I'm going to start it. So hopefully things turns better and we will have a good book to study. So stay tuned in. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm making many videos on the AI products, Falcon LLMs, few shots on the marketing, everything about the Llama 2, then 5 minutes code. I have been doing a lot of work, but surprisingly, I am not getting any kind of subscribers. So I need your support in this. Hopefully, you will support this concept and you will love it. So don't forget to subscribe to it. Thank you so much.